This is a ceiling light. The light inside can adjust its angle. But how do you change the bulb? It's not easy. I removed the entire inner canister at first, but actually you only need to take off the black part to replace the bulb. So the first step is to remove the bulb. From the back, it's easier. Find the correct angle, and the bulb comes out. After removing the bulb, you can pull downward and detach the black inner canister from the outer white housing. That's how you replace the bulb. But it's hard to figure this out, because normally it's not easy to push the bulb out. Why is it difficult? We can look at how the bulb is clipped in. The clip has a specific angle. You can only push it from one side, the side on the left hand. Pushing from any other angle won't work. So that's the hardest part of replacing the bulb, and you could even call it a design flaw. Once you put it back together, it's relatively simple. Assuming the white housing is already installed, you just press the black canister back in.